Power tools use many ball bearings to allow various components to rotate. Over time, a ball bearing will wear and begin to fail. A bearing that is failing will usually give warning, often with a squeaking or a squealing sound. Replacing the ball bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brushes from the motor. Now remove the screws that secure the gearbox to the motor. And I'll separate the two halves. Now I'll separate the armature from the gearbox. Next I'll remove the rubber boot from the bearing. And I'll use a puller to remove the bearing from the armature. Now I can install the new bearing. I'll place it onto the end of the armature, put a socket on the inner race that's about the same size as the inner race, and tap it into place with a rubber mallet. And I'll reinstall the rubber boot. Now I can reinstall the armature to the gearbox and assemble the armature and gearbox assembly back into the motor housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the brushes. And that's all it takes to replace the ball bearing in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.